Hey there, health explorers. Today we're diving into a topic that's as trendy as avocado toast but way more satisfying: the keto diet. But hold on to your cauliflower rice. We're not just serving up facts, we're cooking them to perfection. This video isn't your typical nutritional lecture. It's a keto kitchen party, and you're invited. Now, before we plunge into the low-carb wonders, no need for a nutrition dictionary here. We're keeping it simple, friendly, and full of flavor. But wait, before we turn up the keto heat, let's set the stage with a hook more intriguing than a suspense novel. Imagine starting your keto journey with a laugh that's so contagious, it could turn a broccoli hater into a veggie enthusiast. So grab your virtual apron because we're about to whip up keto wisdom tastier than a buttery bacon-wrapped treat. Now, let's sizzle into the specifics. The top 10 points about the keto diet that will have you saying, "Pass me the avocado, please." Number 10, the keto lowdown. Alright, keto newcomers, let's embark on the keto journey with the lowdown. Your body is a VIP guest entering a low-carb paradise. We're not just cutting carbs, we're giving them a vacation, while fats and proteins take the stage. It's a diet revolution, transforming your body into a dance floor where carbs are taking a break and fats and proteins are dancing into the spotlight. Say goodbye to carb-induced monotony. It's time for a keto fiesta, and your body is the star. But hold on, this isn't just about losing weight, it's about embracing a metabolic shift. The keto lowdown is your ticket to ketosis, a state where your body becomes a fat-burning machine. It's not just a diet, it's a metabolic adventure, and your body is gearing up for the ride of its life. Number 9, fueling with fats. Imagine your body as a top-tier car. Fats are the premium fuel propelling it forward without the sugar crashes. We're not just celebrating the richness of fats, we're appreciating the importance of healthy fats that nourish your body. This isn't a fat frenzy. It's a strategic embrace of the right fats for a fuel-efficient keto joyride. But wait, it's not just about eating fats. It's about understanding how they become the energy source your body craves. Healthy fats are the unsung heroes of the keto lifestyle, ensuring your body has a steady and reliable source of energy. Number 8, carbs. You're on vacation. Carbs, it's vacation time in the keto world. Say goodbye to starchy drama and sugar roller coasters. Picture your body on a serene keto beach, free from carb-induced mood swings. Cutting carbs isn't deprivation, it's a strategic pause, letting your body tap into fat reserves for stable energy and an improved mood. Number 7, protein power play. Protein isn't just a sidekick, it's a power player in the keto game. We're not just talking about chicken, we're diving into the MVP of muscle building. Picture this. Protein isn't merely a meal, it's the blockbuster action movie your muscles have been waiting for. It's not about eating protein for the sake of it, it's about understanding how protein becomes the superhero squad your body needs. But it's not just about muscle growth. Protein plays a crucial role in satiety, keeping you full and satisfied during your keto journey. Think of protein as the anchor of your keto ship, ensuring you stay grounded in your dietary choices. It's not just a nutrient. It's the lead actor in the keto drama, supporting your body's transformation into a lean, mean keto machine. Number 6, ketosis unleashed. Time to unveil the keto superhero, ketosis. It's your body's way of burning fat for fuel, like a superhero with a ketone cape soaring through fat-burning skies. Ketosis isn't just metabolic, it's your body magically turning fats into the energy it craves. Beyond weight loss, it's the powerhouse for steady energy, making crashes history and welcoming a ketone-powered vitality stream. Number 5, goodbye sugar. Hello sweet alternatives. Sugar, it's time for a sweet farewell. But don't worry, we've got keto-friendly sweet alternatives that won't leave you feeling abandoned. It's like finding a new love that's just as sweet without the sugar drama. Your taste buds won't miss a beat, and your body will thank you for the sugar detox. But it's not just about avoiding sugar, it's about exploring the world of keto-friendly sweeteners that add sweetness without the guilt. Think of it as upgrading your sweet game where your desserts become a delightful part of your keto journey. Bid farewell to the sugar roller coaster and say hello to a world where sweetness complements your keto lifestyle without derailing your progress. Number 4, snacking with a keto twist. Snacking on keto isn't about missing out, it's about upgrading your snack game. It's like turning your snack drawer into a keto wonderland. From nuts to cheese, it's a snacking adventure with a low-carb twist. Bid adieu to guilt. Say hello to keto snacking bliss. But it's not just about finding low-carb snacks, it's about embracing a snacking strategy that aligns with your keto goals. Picture your snacks as mini fuel stops on your keto journey, keeping your energy levels steady and your cravings at bay. Snacking becomes an enjoyable part of your keto routine, adding variety and flavor without compromising your carb limit. Number 3, hydration station, keto style. Let's hydrate with a keto twist. It's not just about drinking water. It's about keto-friendly beverages that keep you refreshed without the sugar overload. It's like turning your hydration routine into a keto party. Sip, savor, and stay keto hydrated. But it's not just about staying hydrated. It's about choosing beverages that align with your keto lifestyle. Think of it as a flavor-filled hydration journey, where your drinks complement the richness of your meals. From herbal teas to infused water, it's a keto hydration station that keeps you on track while satisfying your taste buds. Number 2, meal prep mastery. Meal prep is your keto superhero cape, not just planning, but ensuring a smooth keto journey. It's a weekly keto roadmap, preventing detours into Carb City. Prep, conquer, and keto on. Beyond time saving, meal prep is your strategic plan, making your kitchen the keto command center. It's a game changer, minimizing decision fatigue and maximizing keto success. Number 1, listen to your body, the Keto Maestro. Finally, listen to your Keto Maestro, your body. It's not just a vessel, it's a symphony of signals guiding you through the keto lifestyle. From energy levels to cravings, your body is the ultimate keto GPS. It's a personalized keto journey where understanding the subtle cues leads to the perfect harmony. It's not one size fits all, it's your unique keto symphony. Tune in, stay on the low-carb route, and let your body lead the way. As we conclude our keto expedition, let's savor the flavors of wisdom we've gathered on this low-carb journey. Always remember, your path to a healthier lifestyle is uniquely yours, with every keto choice contributing to your well-being. If our keto insights have sparked joy or enlightened your low-carb path, don't forget to give that thumbs up a gentle tap. Share your favorite keto hack or how the keto lifestyle has made a positive impact in your life in the comments below. And of course, ensure you're subscribed to our channel so you never miss out on the next delicious chapter of our Keto Chronicles. As we bid goodbye for now, keep those carb cravings under control, embrace the keto lifestyle with gusto, and until our next rendezvous, may your keto journey be filled with joy, health, and the satisfaction of making mindful choices. Happy ketoing!
Dirty, no I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy. Know what I mean, know what I need.